Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide story from specific people on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! So if you don't want someone to see your story, you can hide your story from them and prevent them from saying anything you add to your story in the future. Now, first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. You can go to your profile. Tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down. You can see there's a hide story and live. Tap on that. Tap on hide story and live from. Choose specific people you want to hide your story from them. I will choose this. Now, you can refresh your page. We see on the menu. Now you can see there's on the hide story and live from, there's one people. I will show you. I will make a story like this. Now I will switch my account to this account to see if I still can't see the story or not. Now you can see there's no story from my account, my other account, this account. I just made a story, but there's the stories not appear because I just hide my story from this account, my second account. Hiding your story from someone is different from blocking them and doesn't prevent them from seeing your profile and post. So that is how to hide your story from specific people on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!